Hey guys, Zach here, your favorite sales guy from Ohio Cashflow, here for another property walkthrough. We have a house in the 43613 zip code, and as you guys know, that's one of our main zip codes that we like to operate in. We have a great 2-bedroom, 1-bath home behind me. We're on Bigelow Street here in Toledo, and this one we sold for $49,900. It's got a $600 rent. 11% cap rate, guys. So you know, this is what we do. These are the numbers we pump out daily. So why don't you guys come on in, check it out, see what you guys think, and then I'll catch you afterwards. There it is, guys. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. I, for one, love this house. It was a disaster before, and we came through and we did what Ohio Cashflow does, and we made it look fantastic. Another happy investor with this small 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, $600 in rent, and it's on Bigelow Street. Instead of Bigelow, it should be called Big Returns, because that's what this investor is going to get. So once again, check out the description box below. You'll see the link to ohiocashflow.com and our investor application. Fill it out, have a call. Let me know what you guys want. I can deliver. We have it all day long here in Toledo, Ohio. We have inventory falling off of trees. And there's lots of trees here in Toledo, guys. So fill out that app, have a call with me, and I'd love to get you guys a cash cow so that you can cash flow. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.